welcome back to Angie in Wonderland, and today I'm going to share with you all of the things that I finished up in the month of March. And I actually have quite a bit. I didn't realize how much of a collection I have of a lot of things that I emptied up or used up in the month of March. So because it's so long, I'm going to go ahead and get started and share all of this stuff with you. Alright, so this is not going to be in any particular order either. I'm just going to kind of grab it out of my little basket as I go along. So let's start with the first thing. Okay, the L'Oreal Paris Blow Dry It Quick Primer Spray. You guys, I talked about this stuff for months and I absolutely love it. This stuff will probably be around $3.99 at Target, Walmart, I'm not really sure. I picked up my other 2 bottles the other day at Target, where I did a shop with me. If you guys missed that, I'll go ahead and put a link to that right up here above. But anyway, I did pick up 2 more of these. Absolutely love this. I keep one in my travel bag and I keep one in my bathroom and I use it every day. Love it. All right, the next thing, I'm just going to toss this down here on the floor that way I can throw everything in the trash. The next thing that I didn't use this up. I actually just pour this inside of a container that I keep in my laundry room, but I wanted to talk about this anyway because this is something that I absolutely love. These are the Downy Infusions. These are the little pellets that you put inside of the washing machine as like a fabric softener or whatever. Absolutely love these. I love the scent, and like this container still smells so good. I absolutely love these, and I every single time I am at the store, even if I don't need any at the time, I still grab some because I don't want to run out. These are so good. Love them. Alrighty, looks like I have like 3 candles right here to talk about, unless I have more down here in the bottom. But right now I just have the 3 candles that I'm going to talk about. This one, which is my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works. This is the Bergamot Waters. If you guys have watched my Bath & Body Works hauls in the past, you guys know that Bergamot Waters is like my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works, and I always try to get this scent whenever I go back to Bath & Body Works, and I absolutely love it. The scent that it is sparkling bergamot, pristine blue water, sugared citrus, and creamy sandalwood. Love this. Absolutely love this candle, and I always repurchase it when I go back to Bath & Body Works. All right, the other candle that I finished up this month was this one by Yankee Candle. This is Sparkling Snow, and I think it's been finished up for quite some time, and I just never took it out of my bedroom because I thought that I would burn it, or I started, maybe this is the one I tried to light the other day and it went out real quick because it's done, it's empty. But you can still see there's some wax down here, so I thought if I just stick it inside of a warmer and let that melt down a little bit, that way I can get like the full use out of the candle. So I think that's what I'm going to end up doing with this. I absolutely love it. So I love this smell too. It's really, really nice. Sparkling Snow. Winter. I don't want to talk about winter. All right, then the other candle that I picked up, this is actually my very first Mrs. Meyer's candle, and I bought this one at Target maybe a couple weeks ago. And I burned this every single day. This is the Lemon Verbena, and this is my favorite scent as of right now. The scent that I have burning in my kitchen right now is the Mrs. Meyer's Lavender. Not a fan. So I'm really trying to burn through that one as quickly as I possibly can. But I also think that, like, this is still wax down in here, so I'm thinking if I put this on a wax burner, I'm hoping that it will melt it, and then it'll have some scent to it as well. My cousin actually said that he picked one of these up and he could not smell it at all, but I actually smelled the Lemon Verbena one and the lavender one in the kitchen. Not good. I don't like it at all. Okay, so I'm not gonna throw those ones down because those will break. All right, the other thing, let's see if I could try to grab what I like, familiar thing, or not familiar things, but things that are like the same, similar. Is there any other ones in here? No. Okay, so 2 more hair products. This one is the Blow Dry It cream that I put in my hair. I use this stuff all the time as well, every single day. Just a quarter size in my hand, and I just put it through my wet, damp hair, and then I pull my hair back at the top and then let it air dry for just a little bit while I'm doing my makeup. And then at the end, when I have my hair pulled up, the part that I don't have pulled up, I will spray with that other stuff and then just kind of let it sit there for a little bit, and then I'll go and blow dry my hair. And this stuff is amazing. And my hair is so soft. I love the way that it makes my hair feel. I love the way that it makes my hair smell. It brushes out so nicely. It curls nicely. It styles nicely. Everything. So I love everything about this product. I also used up, which is so funny because I usually use up more shampoo than I do conditioner, but I think I'm like on that like off and on balance of the shampoos and conditioners. But this one I finished up. This is the Arabica Coffee Fruit by Herbal Essence. I was using like L'Oreal for the longest time, and then I wanted to switch up, so I switched to the Herbal Essence. Absolutely love the Herbal Essence shampoo and conditioner. Again, I love the way that it makes my hair feel. It's so soft, and the scent is so nice. This one is such a nice scent as well. Absolutely love this. I have one in my travel bag, and I have one in my shower, and I definitely keep using the same scent because it smells so good. Alrighty, I also used up 3 of my wallflowers. Again, I just kind of keep them in the plastic bag because they tend to get really like leaky and sticky. So I keep them in the plastic bag, but I did finish up 3 of them, and I do not know what scents they are because they don't have the scents on the sides of them. So, but there's 3 of them that I used up. Alrighty, I used up 2 of my deodorants, one from my travel bag and one from my bedroom. And this one was the Secret Clear Gel. This was the protecting powder one. I'm not sure if this one was the one in my bathroom or the one in my travel bag, but nonetheless, I did finish up 2 of them. This one was the Completely Clean Secret, and then this one, Powder Fresh or whatever it was. But I finished up both of those. Love Secret deodorant, and I like the clear gel of them because they don't like make a big huge mess under my clothes or anything like that, and they don't leave like caked up deodorant underneath my arms, so which I really like. Alrighty, we also finished up 2 toothpaste tubes. This one was the Colgate, and this one was the Crest 3D. I believe one was in our shower and the other one was in our travel bag, so I'm not exactly sure which one was where, but nonetheless, we finished these up. And these are my 2 like go-to toothpaste. I usually try to get whatever on sale, but these are the 2 that I always look for, is the Crest and the Colgate, 2 of my favorites. Okay, I finished up my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. What would this stuff be? Ready Set Gorgeous. I don't know, what is this? Concealer cover up. I just kind of put it underneath my eyes a little bit and then take my little spongy thing and put it underneath my eyes. That way it just kind of like brightens it up just a little bit and kind of covers up maybe some of the dark circles under my eyes if I have any. I also finished up my Nivea Lippy Balm. I love this stuff. This is my favorite lip balm ever. It's the, like I said, the Nivea, and this is the Smoothness cream lip care, and it's got SPF 15 in it. So I actually have one of these in every single room in our house. I have them in my bag, I have them in my car, everywhere. I absolutely love it, but I'm gonna have to take it out of my car soon because it's starting to get warm and it will melt. Alrighty, continuing on. Alright, let's talk about these 2 things. These are the Tide Pods, and I did not like empty this bag because I used it. I emptied this bag because I put it inside of a container inside of my laundry room. So that's pretty much what I do with these, as I just buy the refillables and then I just dump them inside of a little container that I keep in my laundry room. So this one I emptied in there. And then the same thing with the Cascade. I actually have a little container underneath my sink that I actually pour these refillable bags inside of the container. And I actually really like it because it actually helps me see how many like pods I have left. Same with the Tide, because I have clear containers that I keep them in, so it helps me see how many I have left and when I need to go get some more. So love those. I I finished up 2 of my hairsprays as well. This is the Tresemme. This is like the big can of Tresemme. I've been using Tresemme for a long time. Absolutely love this product. It really, really lasts and it holds my hair the way that I want it to. I get it in the number 4. Absolutely love it. And then I had the travel one as well. Same, the number 4. And this is the one that I keep in my travel bag. And I finished this one up, I think on our little last trip to Gatlinburg a couple of weeks ago. But love Tresemme. Let's see, what was the other one? This was also, and I don't know, maybe this one fell in there because I don't know where this one came from. So I think that one just fell in there. I'm not exactly sure where that one came from, but it wasn't, it's not empty. This is it's a 10. Now this stuff, I have very, very little in here left, but I used to use the serum every once in a while. I would put the serum like in my hair, especially if my hair was straight. That way I can get like little piecey of my hair. But anyway, I like the serum, but there's only a little teeny tiny bit left in here, so I just thought I'd go ahead and share this with you. When I was cleaning out my little bathroom counter thing the other day, I came across this and I'm like, you know what, I need to like share this because it's almost empty anyway, so I'm gonna be tossing it. But I love this stuff. This stuff is really, really good. The It's a 10. I like their products. Brian also finished his deodorant this month. I usually never share anything that he finishes, but I thought maybe I would this time because I threw it over here and we'll just talk about it anyway. But anyway, he likes the clear gel as well. He uses the Gillette Endurance, the Cool Wave scent. But he likes the gel as well because any other type actually break out his arm underneath, so he always has to have the gels. And we actually have one in his travel bag as well, and then one in our bathroom. And I think this is the one that he used up in the bathroom. All right, we are almost finished. Alrighty, I finished up my Great Lash Maybelline mascara. This has been my favorite mascara ever since I can remember, probably since high school, that I've been using like this formula of mascara. I've always loved this, and it's never like made my eyes or my eyelashes actually very cakey or like spidery or anything like that. It goes on really, really smooth, and I absolutely love it. And I like the fact that it has like an angled brush because it actually kind of gives you that like lift that you need for your eyelashes to make them look a little extra long. I just like the fact too that it's shaped like an eyelash. So I finished this up and I absolutely love it, and I have more over here. And then lastly, this is my favorite thing to talk about because I absolutely swear by this stuff. I have been on it now I think 3 years. And this is the Ultimate Flora. I've suffered from IBS for years, and I couldn't find anything that would help, you know, keep my IBS symptoms at bay. I tried this stuff a couple of years ago, and I tried it for a month, I think, and then I took myself off of it just to see if this is what, excuse me, was helping. And sure enough, as soon as I stopped taking it, I started getting really sick again after certain foods that I would eat. So I went back on it, and I have not stopped since. This stuff is amazing. Now, it is not like 100% proof. I still have IBS days. That's kind of what I like to call them now, is I'm having a bad IBS day. But this stuff has helped it be helped it keep it as not as frequent as it would have been before. Like, I would be sick after eating a salad, and I would have to rush home because I'd be so sick, and I'd have to go straight to the bathroom. But sometimes, like with these though, now I'm not like that anymore, unless it's a very bad IBS day. And usually I can tell in the mornings if it's going to be a very bad day for me with IBS, an issue. So it's very, very careful. So I have to be very careful with like the foods that I eat. This has definitely helped with my IBS symptoms and the severity of the symptoms and how frequent I get sick. So I always talk about this stuff. It's about $25, I think, at like Walgreens, Target, Walmart. I think it's a little bit cheaper at Target. I'm not really sure, but usually when it's on sale, like buy one get one half off, I usually stock up on that stuff. So I always have to have it. I carry it with me when I travel, and I always have it at home, so I always take it in the mornings so I know that I'm good to go for the day. But anyway, that is it for my empties. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time on Angie in Wonderland. Thanks for watching. Bye!